Hello everyone. I hope you will be fit and fine. Today I am going to teach you or revision of SQL. We have already learned about the how to create a table, what are table constant, how to add a column in that. If you forgot any column, you can add on that, and you can modify column. You can alter with the alter command. You can modify all the structure of table, inserting a records, and with the update command we can update the values. So here I am going to teach you some join with the quick revision of that all joining. What are the uses of join here? See here, data from multiple tables. See first, just we have a creator one table. We are inserting a value in that, and we are selecting and displaying a value from that one table only. So here multiple tables data can be viewed. So here we'll discuss about the joining. What is join? Join is a query. Joining is a query, that is a command. As previous you have already done the single commands you have done. Here joining means more than one table can records can be displayed together. Here a join a query that combines rows from a two or more tables. More than one table's record can be viewed. In join query, more than one tables are listed in the form of clause. After from clause, MySQL or SQL provides a various type of joining. See here, don't confuse MySQL and SQL. Both commands are same use in a both. So MySQL is a free software, and SQL you have to purchase a license for that. So don't confuse about that. It is a free, you can download from internet. So here we are talking about the join. Join means to display records from more than one table. So here first cross join, or it is called Cartesian product. First cross join. You can say cross join or Cartesian product. Don't confuse, both are the same. Cross join or Cartesian product. Next, equijoin and natural join. So these joins you have to learn about these. These are used in importing a table connectivity with the SQL or MySQL to the Python. So you can download from a library. This chapter will discuss later. Just first you have to learn what are the commands used in a SQL. So here cross join or Cartesian product, it return all the possible values from a rows of the both the tables. One row from one table and another table. So one row of a first table is joined with the row of a second table. More than one table can be used in this, and it returns the possible concatenation of all the tables values from both the tables. One table row in the first table is joined with the second table's value. See, Cartesian product join each row of the one table with the each row of the another table. All the rows from one table to another table, both will be joined together. So here first table have a 6 rows. First table have a 6 rows and second table have a 4 rows. So then total number of rows output will be 6 multiplied by 4. 6 months. Both will be joined. 6 in a first table, 4 in a second table. So 6 multiplied by 4. So the total rows will be 24 because columns also join together. So here total number of rows after Cartesian product cardinality of first table X with the cardinality of the second table. So here cross join Cartesian product. Here see, this is a one table, another table, color is a table, another shade is another table, red, green, blue, these are. So here suppose I want to combination of all the colors with the all the shaded. In this case Cartesian product or the cross join is a used. See, this is a one table and this is another table. So I want to join with the shade. So both will be joined together. For example, select star from shades, comma, colors. How to join? Joining means no need to write a extra command. No need to write a extra command in the same select command for display to view all the records. You need to write select command here. Select is a command which is a keyword. Asterisk means all the record will be selected from. After from, see what is the use of from. See, I am talking about the from means from where you have to get the these combine these records. So after from you have to write a table name, first table name comma second table name. So select asterisk from shades comma color. So both are a shades and color, both are a table, both are combined and selecting together. So here 1 2 3 3 into 3. So here output will be 9. The output contain a 9 rows. Number of rows in a first table into number of rows in a second table. Number of rows into first table and number of rows in a second table. How to make a Cartesian product? Number of rows from a first table or number of rows from a second table. Just you have to write a select asterisk from first table comma second table. See here, this select star from color, this all will be from color table, and select star from shade and color, both are. So here all are joined together and these are a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 records which are joining together after Cartesian product. Here it has a three records and it has also three record. After join, number of rows from a first table, number of rows from a second table will be multiplied. See another example of this. Concat also you can use. Select concat. What is the use of concat? Joining a column or table values. Select concat from a sname, comma name, space will be from shaded, comma color. See sname from a first table, name from a second table. Both will be concatenate and display together. These record also 9 rows. So concatenation also join together. So now next join is a equijoin. It check the equality of the both the tables column. So see here the join in which columns are compared for a equality is called equijoin. See here, a join in which columns are compared for a equality is called equijoin. See, I am talking about your record. First, you have a permanent record that is your admission number, name, your date of birth, father name, mother name, and your stream which you have taken, and all detail about in your first table. Second table also admission number is there, and your marks detail, first term, second term, whatever your annual, all the records are which is the updated value in second table. So if you want to display your any child record of your record from first table which is matching with the second table, so you need to compare with the admission number from a first table or second table, or any foreign key from a first table value to the second table. So here equality is a called equijoin, or non-equijoin specify the condition with the non-equality operator. So equijoin we put asterisk. In a equijoin we put a asterisk means all in the select list. Therefore, the common columns will be appear twice in the output. So when we put a asterisk means all the records from a first table and all the record from a second table. So it will combine together, and it will common columns will appear twice in the output. So common column will be appear twice, number of times, so appear in the output. See another, to understand the output, let's take a two table, one for a employee. So employee is a one table, contains a employee details with the department. So department, in this table department number is there, employee is a table name, in this employee number, employee name, department is there, salary and commission, whatever it is. So and another table department, so another table name is a department, contain a department number. See here in this table, this is second value, and in this table this is a primary key, so its value derived from a this table column, so it become a foreign key. So its value is not its own, its value deriving from a first table, so it become a foreign key. So we have to check the both values should be matched from first table department number and second table department, which is matching with the both the values. See here, select star from EMP, all the records will be displayed. Here employee number is there, employee name is there, department number is there, salary is there. See another table, select star from DPT, department number is here, D name is here, and D head is here, department head. Any columns you can give. Now you want to join the value with the this column to this. Both the columns should be matched. Here now we want to share the details of the employee along with its corresponding matching department, like a alarm department with the 10. So from department table should be show department number with the details. See here, I'm doing equijoin. See, select star. What is the use of asterisk? All the records selecting from employee table, department table, comma department table, where you can apply a where clause here, where EMP dot. What is EMP? From this table, EMP dot this department number, from first table. This you have to write a table name here. Also you can write a aliases name, employee dot department number from this table dot. So from any table you want to retrieve a column, you need to put a dot operator there, and department number equal department dot DPT number. This is a second table. From this table I am taking department number. So first I have to write a DPT number, DPT department column dot DPT number. So if you have written a employee full name here, you need to write here employee dot DPT number equal department dot DPT number. So these values should be matched together and it will display matching value only. So common columns from this table and common column from this table will be matching together and it will display. So equijoin, we can also give the table aliases. See, aliases mean this is a temporary name. Your any name written in the school, any your parents call you with the any nickname. Just like a nickname, you can write a aliases name with the table. So here we can also give the table aliases nickname for a table name or the column name also. And further we can use this name anywhere in query place of a table name. This is a helpful when table name is being length. If table name is a lengthy, then you have to write a short name and we can shorter in a query. So see here aliases name only with the display. While you are displaying a value, you can write a aliases name. Not it will not change with the permanent in a database. See here, select asterisk, all record are selecting from. From is a keyword here. EMP is a table name, first table, which I am giving here aliases name E. Instead of writing a EMP, I am using E, nickname, short name, comma. This is a table name department, DPT. Instead of DPT writing, I am writing a D. Where, after where you have to write E dot DPT. See here, previous example I have written a table name dot column name. Here I am writing E dot DPT number equal D dot DPT number. So both the columns are matching together and it will display the matching value. So it is called equijoin. Don't confuse here EMP. If you have written a employee, you have to write a short name E. Instead of writing an employee or EMP, you can write a short. After space, you have to give one space should be there. Department space D. So here E dot, instead of writing a full name of table name which you have created in a database, that short name you have to write dot. After dot you have to write a column name which you want to match the value with the another table. So E dot department number equal D dot DPT number. So here all the values related to employee number. This is the employee number, E name. See here matching value 10, here also 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 10, 10, 30, 30, 10, 10. So all the value from this table and will be matching with this table. This is a department table and this is an employee table. So see, you can view the record. This all from department table and this is from employee table. Now next we'll discuss about the natural join. What is natural join? Naturally we are joining the same table here. A join in the which only one of the identical columns exists in a called natural join. See here, a join in which only one of the identical columns exist in a called natural join. Here it is similar to the equijoin. See, don't confuse equijoin and previous we have done in that. So it is just like a equijoin, except that duplicate columns are eliminated in a natural join. In previous equijoin, all the records will be displayed together. In this, what does, if any duplicate records there, it will eliminate it, just like a distinct clause. So see here, and in natural join we specify the name of the column. We have to specify name of the column to fetch in the place of the asterisk. In natural join you have to write a original name of the column name instead of the writing a star. In previous equijoin you have to write a asterisk, means all the record will be selected. Here you have to write a column name for a joining, which is responsible of appearing a common column twice in a output. So that will be responsible for common columns will not display twice in a output. See here, equijoin, both the tables I am using. Select ename, salary, department head. See here, ename in a previous table, salary in a previous table, employer table, D head in a second table, that is a department table. From employee, which is a alias name E, department space D. This is a alias name of the table employee and department, where E dot department equal D dot department number. See here, same query is the same, but see here, duplicate value will be eliminated in a natural join. This is just like a previous example, but see the output. Here duplicate, all the records will not display in previous one. See, same command, select star from employee department D. In next natural join, column name are mentioned there. Here asterisk is written, where E dot department number equal D dot department number. Same command is written, just different. Here instead of asterisk, column name is written in that. So duplicate value will be eliminated in natural join. Just remember it. So all the related to value will be displayed. Not a department number, it is not showing. If you want to write here department number also, it shows. Select DPT number, ename, salary, D head. So what does, also department number will be shown, but not repeated value. See the example of natural join. Select EMP number, name, department head from employer department, where EMP dot department number equal, you can write in this case it will show the error. And natural join, see, select employee number, name, it is selecting EMP dot DPT number, dname dot dhead, dname, dhead from dpt dot employee dot, dpt, where after where emp dot dpt number equal department dot dpt number, here matching with the value. So this is called natural join. Is in this case all the duplicate value will be eliminated. So additional condition also you can write with the join. See here, select EMP number comma ename. You are selecting employee number comma ename comma EMP dot. This is a table name dot. From this table I am selecting a DPT number comma D name comma D head, department head. From first table EMP, second table department, where EMP dot DPT number equal DPT dot DPT number, and additional, these are additional condition you can also with the joining, and D name equal HR. Any condition you can write here, and name equal ename equal any Nitin, Naveen, any name you can write here. Any additional condition you can join with the join. So next, again joining tables using a join clause also. In a SQL we can write a join clause also. Till now we have performed a joining using a traditional SQL method, which is common to the most of the RDBMS, relational database management software. Now we learn MySQL style also joining with the join. You can also write a join clause. So here MySQL support the various option with the join, cross, natural, on, using. These are a cross join, natural join, on, using. These also can be used with the MySQL. See here, same table I am using, that is a color and shape. Select star. I am using star. All the record will be selected from a shapes. Here see, join colors. Instead of writing a column with the table with the column name, here just directly you have to write select star from shades, join colors. So both shades and color, both the tables value will be joined together. Also you can write a or can be used. So how to use or? Select star from shades, cross join colors. See, cross keyword also you can use here, cross join. This is a simple join and this is a cross join. Cross join, both the product will be joined together. Select star from shades. This is a one table, and cross join with the color. So this is table with the both the value will be joined. And equijoin with the join. Equijoin using a join. In a equijoin also you can use with the join. Simply you have previous example I have shown you equijoin. Now with the join also can be used equijoin. See here, select star from EMP, join department. See, join keywords here, join department on. Join department, this is a column. Select star, all the records are selecting from a employee table. Now join keywords here, join which department number, on which, this is a from this, on emp.dpt number. This department will be joined with the dpt number, equal this. So you can write a join keywords with the on, or that is just like a equijoin. So another example, select star from EMP, selecting all the records from an employee, join department number, department on employee. This table will be this join with the second table. Both the values are selecting. Where, see here, where salary greater than 50,000. condition, another additional condition also you can use with the join. See, it is a equijoin, just like a equijoin, but with the join keyword. Select star means all record are selecting from this table. Join DPT on first table value equal second table value. Both are joining together. Now in this table, this condition, select star from EMP, join again, join with the join on this table, first table with the second table where this condition also joining. So natural join with the join. See here, select star asterisk from EMP, natural join. Just you have to write a natural join keyword here, department, DPT. So employee with the department number automatically join. So in between you have to write a keyword natural join. Select star, all the records selecting from a employee, natural join with the department. This is another table with joining to the employee table. In natural join condition, the join condition is not a required. Automatically join based on the common column value. It joins all the common columns which is a join together will be displayed in a output. Here left join. So there is a left join. In a left join, when using a left join, all the rows from a first table. See here, all the rows from a first table means left hand side tables will be written whether there are match. If they are matching together from a left side will be displayed in the second tables, or no, if joining matching together with the left side value it will display, otherwise it will not display. For the rows whose matching values are not found in the second tables, it will null value, it have a null value, it will display empty. So left side means, left join means you can display the value from a left side. So both the value can be matched from a left join or right join. In a right join, it will match the value from a right side. See here, select star from EMP, select star from project. These two tables are here. Now, suppose I want to select employee number, employee name and the P name from both the tables, and we want to all the employee record must come whether the employee is working on the project or not. So I am writing this command, select emp dot employee number comma e name comma P name. See here, employee, from employee table I am selecting employee number comma e name. This value and this value, both value I am selecting from employee table, comma P name. Where is P name? From second table. This value. P name from EMP left join. Now I am using left join. See here, left join project. Project will be left join this side on emp dot emp number equal project dot emp number. See this number with this number will be matched. Both the value from this left side and this value will be matched together and it will display the result. So all employees are coming from a first table. These all. Here all the matching value from a second table. Now right join means right from right side you can join a value. Using a right join, all the rows from a second table, right hand side table will be returned whether there are match in the first tables or for the rows whose matching value are not found in the first table, it will display null value, which is not found with the matching with the first table, it will display null, otherwise it will match the value from a first table of right side. Just remember, first table value from a right side will be matched. Here select star from EMP. This is the first condition, and this is a select star from project. This is a second condition. These are values are displayed. Now right join. Select PID comma P name. What is PID? From this PID comma P name, from here these value, both the values are selecting, and ename from here, from project, first project, right join EMP. From here it will join to the right join EMP on emp.emp number equal project.emp number. So from emp.emp number or project, both the employee numbers will be joined together. So it will display the value accordingly. So I hope you will understand this and do practice. This is a new topic for you for a joining. It will be used for MySQL or SQL with the connectivity with the Python link, Python library, which we have to use with the pip install. So this chapter will be this topic will be covered with the Python after some time. So do practice. Thank you.